Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to remove emoji from pictures with PicsArt application. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and you just need to open your PicsArt application. If you haven't had this application, just go into your app library and just install the PicsArt right away. So you just need to go click this plus button, and you just need to add the picture that containing emoji that you want to remove. So you already have the picture, and this one is the emoji that I will let you remove. So to do that, you just need to take a look on this button feature, slide them into the left side until you found shape. And after you found shape, you just need to click them. Click the shape. Now you just need to pick the shape. Either you want to use these circles, rectangles, any of it, but today I will use this. Before you click done or apply, go click this color section and go click this color picker. Now you just need to drag the point into the nearest part with the emoji, and right after that you just need to drag the circles here into the emojis sections. And whenever you're done, now we just need to simply click apply and download the picture, and you're done. So that is the way how to remove emoji from pictures with the PicsArt. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.